Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you guys how to write a Objective-C program. We are using a language called Objective-C programming language. So what is Objective-C? Objective-C programming language is developed by Apple and it is mostly used for iOS applications. It is a superset of C programming language. So let's start. To go, you can choose two editors. One is online editor and another one is Xcode editor. But I don't have Mac version, so I'm going to use the online editor. So go to Chrome and type ide1.com. And this is where you choose your language, Objective-C. Firstly, you must set out the things. For example, import. You should import from foundation at the basic first. So just remove this and change this to foundation. This is a method, so we are not going into too details. So just remove it. And this is where you type your codes. And for method, in the main method, type in RDC. This is a must if you really want to use Xcode to develop programs for Objective-C. So let's see. Say write a program to calculate the area and circumference of a square. After that, you must prompt the user to enter the length of the square and then calculate and display the area and circumference of the square. Let's say the formula. Area of square formula is length times length. Circumference of square is length times 4. Okay. Now, I'm going to use a function to help me calculate the area of square and circumference of square. This is how you write function. You can only write your function above the main method. Do not write your function at the below of the main method. So just, how do you write a function? Firstly, methods. As you can see, we are expecting the result is area of square and circumference of square. So the best data type to use is float, which is decimal point. So it's float. Let's say method just is calculate. Yeah, calculate. Let's say area. Calculate area. And you might want to have parameter. It's because you need to prompt the user to enter the data and you have to pass the value from the method to this method and calculate and return the value. So just length can be decimal, so I just put the best float. Let's say length. So that 2 curly bracket. And then you want to calculate, you must return the value. So return, let's say what? length times length and n equals semicolon. Okay, so calculate area, the method has done. Now let's do circumference. So same thing, float, calculate, in short form circum. Also prompt the user to type the length, and then return length times 4. Done. Now in the main method, you need variables to store the result, the length, in order to calculate. Let's say float, you want the result of the area, so area, and then you want the result of circumference, so float circum, and then you want to prompt the user to enter the value, so float value. There is another way to write this code, and is no need to like that. You can just remove this and remove this and just comma circum comma value. This also works. Make your codes more neat now. Now you want to display the message, to prompt the user to type the value. So how do you display the message? Is you type nslog, the @ sign. This is the syntax of displaying message, and you type inside the message in a double quotation. So please enter the length of the square. Okay. Then how do you accept a value? To read the value is scanf. Scanf. That double quoted like that. Then to read the value, you must use percentage. F is because it's a float. After that, comma, you need an n sign for the value. So just value. Okay, so that after you accept the value, you must display the value to let user see they enter the value. So just nslog like that. Then value enter. So just percent again f, and then just value. No need n sign. No need the n sign in nslog. Only when you want to read the value. Okay. So this is display a message. This is take in the value. This is what you show in the take in the value. Display what you type in the value. After that, you need to calculate. So how do we use this method function in the main method? We have to use a variable to store the result. So just type area. Let's say you want to calculate area. After that, you want to call the methods, which is this calculate area. So just type calculate area. Then parameter. This is where the parameter passing the value. Let's say you type this. You type 5. Then the value will go to here and go to the area and calculate. So let's try. So value, you type in the value, scan and read from the value variable. So just type value. Then semicolon. Same thing with the calculate circum. So just type circum equal calculate circum, also value. And now display the result. NSLog. The area is percent. Let's say, yeah, percent F, because the result is float. And yeah, after that, I'm going to write the unit, let's say meter. After that, just type area. After print out again, just type the circumference is percent F M. Let's say the unit is meter. Then circum. And in here is the inputs where you type. Now, let's say the length is 5. Type 5, and let's try the program by clicking the run button. And here you go. The output is, please enter the length of the square. Then you prompt the user to type 5, and it will show the value entered 5. After that, they will calculate the area and the circumference. Yeah. So as you can see, the output is very ugly because it has so many zeros when you enter type 5. So how do you change? Let's go to fork and edit some codes. Go to NSLog, the first one. If you just want to show the whole number, you just type 0.0. And normally area will show decimal place. Let's say 2 decimal place. So just type 0.2 behind the F. Then also 0.2. And let's try the program now. And here you go. Value enter 5. Just a whole number because I write 0.0. It means whole number. 0.1 means 1 decimal place, and 0.2 means 2 decimal place. And here we go. 25 meter, 20 meter, 5. So this is how you write a simple Objective-C program using classes. Oh, my fault, it's not a class. It's how you write a program using functions to help you calculate, and you call it in the main methods. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.